Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and if you're looking to up your running game, then you're gonna wanna check out this running vest from Zelvot. With this vest, you are not sacrificing quality. It has everything you need in order to make your next run comfortable. One of my favorite things about this vest is that it comes with a soft flask water bottle. Now, when you're hitting a long run, you're gonna wanna make sure you have water, and this is the perfect size. I got this vest so that I could use it on my longer runs as I'm training for my marathon. I absolutely love that it comes with so many pockets. The material on this is absolutely wonderful. It's lightweight, it's breathable. The pockets on the back, it has mesh. It makes it very easy to dry after a long run. One of the things I wanted to make sure is that it was snug and it wouldn't bounce. This vest literally felt like part of my body. I will say that if you are larger on top, then you'll want to make sure you size up. An awesome feature of this vest is its phone pocket. I was able to fit my iPhone 13 Pro Max and it fit in there just fine. I love the functionality of this, that even with it in the pocket and the plastic, it did not impact the ability to use the touch screen features. The Velcro and the button just adds that extra support you need. So if you're looking for a vest that will help you on your next run, then you will not be disappointed in the quality and accessibility of this vest from Zelvot. And that's my point of view.